Gentlemen, before we begin, let me ask you something simple. How many glasses of plain water have you had today? 2, 3, maybe a full bottle already. Most men will confidently say, plenty. I stay hydrated. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're over 50, and especially past 60, plain water may no longer be doing what you think it is. Yes, it keeps you alive, but it may not be keeping you vital. You drink water, yet you still feel tired. You sleep, yet you wake up groggy and dry. You exercise, yet your circulation feels slower, weaker, less responsive. Something is missing, and that missing piece may be the difference between simply surviving and truly thriving. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, a board-certified urologist, and for more than a decade I've helped men restore energy, circulation, and performance naturally, without relying on pills or stimulants. And today, I want to share a truth most men never hear in a doctor's office, because what if I told you that how you hydrate matters just as much as how much you drink? That your water can do more than quench thirst, that it can charge your cells, support blood flow, and help restore the steady strength you thought time had taken away. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at a glass of water the same way again. Let's get real for a moment. Most men think hydration is simple. You feel thirsty, you drink water, end of story. But after 60, your body no longer plays by the same rules. First, your thirst signal weakens. As we age, the brain becomes slower at detecting dehydration. You may think you're fine while your cells are quietly struggling. Second, your kidneys and digestion lose efficiency. They don't manage fluids and minerals as precisely as they once did, so water may flush out too quickly, or electrolytes may fall out of balance. But here's the most important part, and almost no one talks about it. Your cells lose their ability to hold water. Every cell in your body depends on minerals to maintain its electrical charge, and without that charge, water cannot enter the cell properly. So even if you drink enough water, your cells may still be dehydrated. It's like pouring water onto dry soil that's lost its nutrients. The water runs off, nothing soaks in. That's when symptoms quietly appear. Fatigue, brain fog, dry skin, stiff joints, slower recovery, and yes, weaker circulation where it matters most. Because dehydration isn't just about thirst, it's about blood flow. When cells can't hold water, blood becomes thicker and slower. Oxygen delivery drops, nutrients move less efficiently, and performance fades. Here's the hidden truth. You can drink 8 glasses a day and still be dehydrated at the cellular level. What your body needs isn't just water, it needs electrical hydration. Think of your body like a high-performance engine. Water is the fuel, but minerals are the spark. Without the spark, the engine never fires. Every heartbeat, every nerve signal, every muscle contraction relies on tiny electrical impulses, and those impulses only exist because of minerals. Magnesium, sodium, potassium, and zinc. When these minerals decline, communication inside your body weakens. Energy drops, blood vessels stiffen, focus fades, and strength feels distant. This isn't aging, it's disconnection. And plain water by itself has zero conductivity. When you were younger, food provided more minerals, and your gut absorbed them efficiently. After 50, absorption drops, and water without minerals becomes empty hydration. That's why restoring minerals changes everything. Let's start with magnesium. I call it the relaxation mineral. Your heart, muscles, and blood vessels depend on magnesium to release after every contraction. Calcium tightens, magnesium relaxes. After 50, magnesium levels fall sharply, and when that happens, arteries stay tense, blood pressure rises and circulation slows. It's like a garden hose that's constantly pinched. Restoring magnesium relaxes blood vessels, supports calm energy, improves sleep, and restores smoother blood flow. The best forms are magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate. Add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder to your morning glass of water and drink it slowly. Most men notice calmer mornings, steadier energy, and improved circulation within weeks. Next comes sodium, the most misunderstood mineral of all. Not processed salt, real unrefined salt. Natural sodium acts as the gatekeeper that allows water to enter your cells. Without enough sodium, you drink water and urinate it right back out. Hydration never reaches your tissues. A tiny pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt in your water helps cells absorb hydration deeply. Balanced sodium doesn't raise blood pressure. When paired correctly with magnesium and potassium, it actually helps stabilize it. Now comes potassium, the balancer. Potassium keeps water inside your cells and balances sodium's effects. It supports heart rhythm, muscle control, and vascular flexibility. Most older men are deficient. Low potassium means tighter arteries, weaker circulation, and faster fatigue. A low-sugar electrolyte powder rich in potassium, taken in the evening, helps restore balance, improve sleep, and support smoother blood flow throughout the body. Finally, zinc, the quiet commander. Zinc regulates testosterone, immune strength, and prostate health. Low zinc means low drive, slower recovery, and weaker hormonal signaling. Liquid zinc drops absorb best, especially after 50. Just a few drops in your midday water can support focus, stamina, and masculine vitality. Now let's turn this into something simple you can actually do every day. In the morning, drink a large glass of water with magnesium glycinate and a tiny pinch of real salt to open circulation and start calm, steady energy. At midday, add liquid zinc to your water to support hormones and immune strength. In the evening, drink water with a potassium-rich electrolyte to rebalance your system and prepare your body for deep, restorative sleep. That's it. No pills, no complicated routines, just upgraded water. Over the next 3 weeks, the changes arrive quietly. Clearer mornings, steadier energy, deeper sleep, smoother circulation, renewed confidence. This isn't reversing time, it's restoring communication. Your body remembers how to function, you're simply giving it the signal. So tomorrow morning, fill your glass, add your minerals, and drink with intention. Because hydration isn't about water anymore, it's about power. Gentlemen, your best years aren't behind you. They're reconnecting one charged cell at a time.